wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, this is the place Porsim Bahidiyah Fakirhat Bagirhat Agriculture Program Banana Project organized by Nurul Quran Bangladesh. Alhamdulillah, this project beginning before 4 months. At this moment, the tree become a big. After 2 or 3 months, inshallah, is become banana and very uh, population area, inshallah. Allah Pak Rabbul Alamin accept this project. A special thanks Sheikh Muhammad Fauzi, Nurul Quran Foundation, Bangladesh.